Good morning, traders. Happy September 18th. This morning we're dealing with very dangerous formations in the market. This is the open. This Fibonacci level had been present in the room since yesterday morning. This Fibonacci level is ultimate brick wall on S&P this morning. As I warned you, if you choose to buy this high, you must respect this level as your key target. This is the exact same level that you use for your investment decisions on gold. This is where gold collapsed from. Level identified years in advance became ultimate brick wall. This is your investment decisions. Gold sold off from this level. Will S&P do exact same thing? We certainly hope so. We know extremely well that this is crucial Fibonacci support that shows worthless sellers. What an open! Knowledgeable trader knows that this is very dangerous formation. Knowledgeable trader knows that this is spectacular fake out at the open. But if you chose to buy the market this high and you're respecting this as your key target, you are in excellent shape. Speculation and trading never an option. Only Fibonacci will give you this much accuracy. Nothing else ever will. If you know where ultimate support is, and you know how worthless sellers are, right now you are on sidelines. You know how essential and crucial it is to monitor for powerful pullback and to separate spectacular fake out from reversal. This is the key now. This is what you're witnessing in the trading room every day. Ultimate accuracy, ultimate knowledge, ultimate price, ultimate Fibonacci levels. If I convert this chart to 5, accuracy will be exactly the same. No surprise. If I convert this chart to 15, accuracy will be exactly the same. No surprise. And this is brick wall that been present in European session. What a market. What an open. All discussed, all identified well before it happened. And if you remember where market sold off from since last Thursday. You also remember extremely well this was crucial Fibonacci support last Thursday. This is what's in play right now on S&P on Tuesday, 6 days later. Do not ever short into Fibonacci support. Do not ever disrespect this as your key target. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Taking the course is a shortcut to 10 years of work with price action and Fibonacci, which is what you're witnessing in a trading room every single day. This is how Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble. Ultimate Fibonacci target, ultimate Fibonacci support, not the place to short. Present in front of you since last week. So, trade from Fibonacci levels. Monitor for short. Rules are met, take a trade. Never ever 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 buy into reversal zone. If you do, success is not possible. Since last Thursday, price had been in excruciating pain. Since last Thursday, price been respecting this support. This is what we're monitoring right now. Will S&P finally sell off? Or will this support be respected again, just like it's been respected since last Thursday? What a market! What a flawless Fibonacci puzzle. It never gets old, I promise. Market is not selling off. Fibonacci support identified a week prior in a play in front of you on 1-minute chart, in a play in front of you on any chart you choose to trade. Identical formula as on gold. Identical formula as on Tesla. Look at that dance. Flawless reminder, short from reversal zone. Do not short into Fibonacci support. Tesla respected this Fibonacci support for over a year. Ultimate reminder, always and forever play by the rules. Never disrespect Fibonacci puzzle. Remember, always and forever, market is Fibonacci chess game. As one of the students said, art of war. If you use Fibonacci, you know ahead of the game what to expect in the market. And that's what you're witnessing in front of you every single day in the trading room. But if you decide to trade Google, formula will remain the same. Google sold off from decision point 2 earlier this year. Are you surprised? Spectacular earnings. Poor Google. As expected. In the course you learned this is your key Fibonacci target. When price comes to this level, you move your stop outside of break-even. Expecting price to make it to reversal zone is an illusion. This is the key. Google respecting decision point 2. Identical dance. Chart present in front of you for years. Do you want to trade Google? Do you want to trade gold? Do you want to trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11? Range minute chart. Choice is yours. Only Fibonacci will give you this much accuracy. Nothing else ever will. Do you like to trade bonds? Take a look. This is bonds in front of you for years. Bonds respected decision point 2 as ultimate Fibonacci target in 2017 and kept selling off time and time again as expected from decision point 2 and finally crawled up to reversal zone with ultimate selling pressure. However, decision point 2 remained ultimate brick wall for over a year. Take a look what bonds are doing right now. Ultimate correction from reversal zone with decision point 2 being key target. And ultimate resistance to short from. That's what you're seeing in front of you right now. To the tick on S&P. It never gets old, I promise. I live and breathe Fibonacci. Students become my dearest friends for life. Master Fibonacci, pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits, and decide what you want to trade. Key moment on S&P. If S&P breaking through decision point 1, it's a beautiful thing. Take a look what played out on oil. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for years. Let me remind you, in case you are not in the trading room, this was decision point 1 on oil for over a year. Bright pink line, key resistance, which is what you're witnessing right now on S&P 1-minute chart as key support. This is where buyers came from. However, it's taken oil over a year to break through. What do you see on oil right now? In case you missed all the events, all oil news events in the trading room, pretty please do browse YouTube channel going back years. What did I say? This is institutional support, not the place to short, the place to buy from oil. And again, was ultimate Fibonacci target on oil for months. Buying oil outside of decision point 2. Very dangerous idea unless you use decision point 2 last few months as key support, not the place to short. Tomorrow morning oil news will be very interesting. Identical levels in front of you on S&P. If S&P is not crushing and burning this morning through this support, we have zero interest in this market. S&P is doing exact same thing as Tesla had done for over a year. No need to wait for months and years. You see it in front of you every single day in live markets. The accuracy of the method you can use on anything you choose to trade. And that's how Fibonacci keeps you on the right side of the market. And that's how Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble. We need for S&P to crash and burn through this support. And when it does, market will become very interesting. As expected. As identified. Days in advance. Nothing else in the market is predictive. Nothing else in the markets is natural. Only Fibonacci is. Fibonacci what forms the markets. Fibonacci what gives you ultimate accuracy. Nothing else ever will.